cinnamon and lime. Alright, cinnamon powder. Pour it out in Chef Ricardo. Come back in the kitchen again with another recipe, guys. This one is a brand new recipe. I'm willing to give you the recipes and weight loss, detoxing. It is an amazing. It is very important for you to prepare yourself, boost up your immune system, losing weight, detoxing your body. And that's why I give you so much tea recipes. All different kind of tea, make with different kind of recipes. Sometimes similar, but they work very effective. Why not try this recipe? I know you're going to love it. So stay around, watch how I make it, and you can do the same thing at home. Anyway, remember, get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. And if you like this recipe, leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Now, let's do this together. Right here I have a lemon. You can use lime also. So I'm already washed it off. What I'm going to do, okay, is simple. Cut into half like this. Alright. We're going to get the lemon juice. Just like this. And just like this. Alright. Put the lemon juice aside. Alright guys, you need to put that one side. And what you want to do, get the lemon and slice it up like this. Alright. Cut it up like you're cutting up your vegetables or your meat. Alright. As I mentioned over and over, right here, this is the benefit right here. We're gonna show you how to make this beautiful weight loss recipe for you to make at home. So stay right there, don't go anywhere. So medium sized pot, heater on. Alright, and I'm going to go through it and show you what I'm going to do. So we're going to get hot water. I'm starting off with the hot water. A little bit more. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. That's looking fantastic and an amazing. Alright. So don't go anywhere. Just sit back and enjoy the flight. If you have somewhere to go, you're going to miss it. Alright, alright, so let's get our secret. Alright. We're going to get 1 cinnamon stick into the water. Alright. If you like, you can use cinnamon powder option, just to show you. Roughly about a pinch of cinnamon powder inside of it. Right. Secondly, we're going to be using the lemon peel right here. Alright, into the water. Like that. Alright. Then what we're going to do next is give you another tips what you can also use at home. Alright. Now you can also use lemon if you like to inside of it. Alright. Yeah, lemon if you like to. It's option with the lemon or the lime, whatever you like to use. Now we're going to get our secret. Alright, so you might wonder, what is the secret? We're going to be using good organic coffee. That's what you want to use. Alright, good organic coffee. Alright, so we're going to go into it with a tablespoon of coffee, because this is a good organic coffee. Alright, so we're gonna take that to a boil right there, as you can see. Alright, so we're gonna wait for it to boil, and as you guys can see, that looks delicious. Alright. Tablespoon of coffee in a large cups with a cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder, lemon and lime. Allow that to boil up for about 6 more minutes. So here it is boiling. Turn off the cooker, alright, and remove it from the heat. Alright, remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Alright guys, yeah, so got the coffee, lemon, cinnamon and lime. Alright, cinnamon powder. Pour it out in Chef Ricardo. Alright, I'm going to get a good teaspoon of organic honey. Alright, yeah. Powerful drink, guys. Alright, and this is the honey which I've been using. Very powerful and very good. Alright, drink that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Alright, and also, yeah, that's the best time to drink it, in the morning. Enjoy the recipe. You know it go already. I'm always giving you the best recipe in the world. Alright, so if you are looking for a powerful weight loss recipe, this is it right here. Something where you can try at home if you want to lose weight and detoxing the body. We always give you new recipes and new ideas. Alright, now as I said, we only can give you the recipe. It's up to you to make them. Alright, and just remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Remember, if you don't get yourself one, don't waste your time. Jump over Amazon and get yourself a